Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use text-to-speech in Filmora mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Filmora application on my mobile phone and I'm going to open up the project I have just created, this one. And I'm going to add text to this project. We can click on the text and select add text. And I'm just going to type in text to speech. Okay, then click on this check mark and you're going to go to the text to speech option and select the voice you want to apply. I'm just going to select this category, narration.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
I'm gonna go with this one guys and we can click on create. Okay, and now the text to speech is being created and then this is the final result.
Text to speech.
Alright guys, and that's all the way to use text-to-speech in Filmora mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.